How to recover deleted Google accounts. First of all, you will have to open a browser. Like in my case, I'm opening a Chrome browser. So after opening a browser, in the search field, you will have to type this URL. So you will have to type this URL and go for the search. I will give this link in the comment section below. So simply go for the search. And here you can recover the deleted Google account. So if you have any Google account that you have been deleted, simply you have to enter the Google ID here. So like in my case, I have not any Google account that I have been deleted. So if you have any Google account that you have deleted and you want to recover that, so simply type here that Google account and simply Google will follow the procedure to recover your account, and simply you can recover the deleted Google account by following the procedure ahead. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tech tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.